management of our college has decided to give the Best Students Award from this year onwards. And the first award goes to Mr. Jiva of this college. And we are really very proud about it. We request Mr. Jiva to please come on the stage and collect this award. The district collector will give the award to Mr. Jiva and felicitate him over that. Congrats, Jiva.
Thank you, sir.
I kindly request Mr. Jiva to address the meeting.
Thank you. This award,
Hey, you've been awarded? You don't even greet the people on stage? You have started your speech that I am getting this up.
to the respected Honorable Collector, sir, and also to our college principal, I would like to say the greetings. I got this award.
Hey, did you get this all on your own effort? Should not you compliment the supporters?
The person whoever supported to get this award, that is the professors, staffs, and also my friends. And to everybody, I would like to say thanks from the bottom of my heart. And about this award...
What kind of speech is this? You've been given an honorable award. People should be inspired by your speech.
I'm really feeling worried to get this award. I don't want this award at all. I would like to return this medal.
Hey,
I
what
don't
have you
want this
received and
award.
what you are going to give back?
No.
You were to go for an interview at 9 o'clock, now it is 10 o'clock.
Is it 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
But you are saying that I have to go by 9? And you made to wake up at 10 o'clock?
I have been waking you up from 8 o'clock, but you didn't get up.
Why, Mom? Dad is not allowing me to get it in the dream. And in the real, you are not allowing me. Altogether, I will not get the award at all.
When you are studying, you are not at all sleeping. But after college, you are always sleeping. What can I do?
What? Dad is not in home?
Why?
Nothing. All vessels are dancing now, that's the reason.
See, just now only he has gone out of the house. Now you don't act smart, okay?
Where he went so early?
There is some special class for the 10 students, that's why he has gone.
You couldn't tolerate him in all these years. I'm just worrying about the new guys who joined for the tuition. God has to help.
Hey, you said he's Max teacher, but he's writing English.
Why don't you tell everything instant? Won't you get even? Wait, he'll tell.
Discipline. D. What number would D represent in the English alphabet? Someone write. Next, you come. After. I hope you all know this Tirukkural. And this word is respected in all the languages. If you observe this, you can become great. The word's value is 100. Similarly, if you observe this in your life, you will have quality. If you want to follow this, you have to come to school every day, be punctual, and listen well in the class. If you do all this, you will come up. You see, to catch a train, we have to go to a railway station. But do we go late? No. Whether we are punctual or not, the train will leave. The same kind of discipline, if we all follow that, we will come up very well in life.
Hey, he is telling this year by year.
Okay, let's get into the subject. Manusami,
Sir, someone has come.
you go to your seat.
Okay, sir.
Copy this onto your notebooks. Manusami, you know me for so many years.
Yes, sir.
Why are you disturbing me?
Sorry, sir.
We already have intellectuals in our class. And if you distract them by walking up and down, how will they concentrate on the studies?
They were known to you. That's why, sir.
Whoever it is. How many hours do I spend here? Only 7 hours.
Yes, sir.
Rest hours I'm at home.
Sir.
Even if it is so urgent, you should tell them that meet him after the class.
Right, sir.
They would know all that.
Sorry, sir.
Now it's time for a break,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Who has come?
There they are waiting for you.
Hey, you live in my opposite house and you come here to meet me. Is the house far and school near?
Why are you talking that way? I'm already disturbed.
Highly disturbed. What happened?
I told you I bought a place.
Yes. You said you bought a land somewhere. What happened to that?
Someone wants to buy that from me.
You want to sell it?
No, I never told anybody.
Then what?
Everybody in that area has sold it to one particular man.
If you also get a good price, sell it.
If they ask the price which I bought it for, okay. It's half the price he's asking for.
Then say no.
The man who is asking is not a simple man.
The place belongs to you. No ordinary man, special man, what? It's your place, your money. Now tell me, who is asking?
Angonan man.
Who's that?
You don't know who Angonan is?
You don't even pray. Then why you are having chapels in our home?
In the city, I know all are afraid of me, but I don't know whether God is afraid of me. That's why I've locked it. Even if God wants to see me, I should give the permission to him. You're also having a doubt that I'm God?
You only my God. There is no doubt in that.
You saw that? The bell is ringing. Hello?
Brother, it's me.
Yeah, I know. Tell me.
Suddenly my wife got sick.
Boss,
I have admitted her
okay.
in hospital. All my money was gone in hospital. I'm seriously trying to give back your money.
Actually,
Brother,
boss,
Please don't do anything.
everybody is waiting for you. They're all calling me.
Hey, have those people
They
come.
already arrived, boss.
Okay, do one thing. Pick up the phone and just respond to him, okay?
Okay, boss.
I have went to sell my property. We have made a deal for 150 acres, but only one person refused to give. If you pinch in this, it will be gone easily. We'll take the share 50-50.
What?
Sir, that's your wish to give us something.
I'm going to the party office. This is election time. You look
Okay,
after the
sir.
election job now.
Okay.
I know how to solve this problem.
Okay.
You can
okay.
go now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'll give back to your money as soon as possible. Please give me some time.
Tomorrow, come to Gandhinagar 2nd Street.
Why there, sir?
There is your house, right? If your dad is dead, will you not come there?
Brother.
I'm warning you. Within 1 hour, I should get back the money.
Brother.
Hey, why everybody is coming? This is not lorry. This is a fortune car.
Hey, we should go a little
Yeah,
late.
It's a procedure.
Greetings, sir.
Welcome, sir. When did you come, sir?
Not even went to station to get charged. Straightly came to see you. Seems you're going out.
Yes, I'm going.
Can I take leave?
I'm going to ask a seat now. Why should I need protection now itself? You have just reached today. First, go to the police station. Okay? Bye.
Thank you.
Hello, Inspector.
Huh?
We know when to call you and where to call you. Now you can go. Go, sir, go.
Hey, you buddy, what are you doing here?
What, buddy? You have come to the college as you're first year student?
Hey, I have full to trusted you. Even I tried my own, I can find 4 chicks. You wasted guys. I joined you to get an educated girl. It's deserve me. I have spent a lot of money to you people. Instead that I have started a boom in the foundation means I'll be a big shot.
You're not a big shot of the city. You should be a big shot of the village.
It's not a last day for college. It's for our friendship too.
Buddy, guys should have friends or else girlfriends. Else they will become mental.
Hey, why should I, dude? With the help of first year guys, I can find a cool girl. You'll see that.
Buddy, our college is not suitable for that. You have to find some other
Hey,
place.
dude, it's time for the interview. I have to go now. Boomy, come on. I'll show you some
Come,
good
let's
figures.
go, let's
come
go.
on.
Move on, move on.
Please do this for me, at least for the liquor what I have bought to you. Don't you have sense?
Sorry, boss. No guy will like to feel ashamed in front of a girl. That too in front of your wife. But you shouldn't have used that words. I'm sorry. Sorry, boss.
If we win in this by-elections alone, for the next 3 years, we will not have any problems in the state. Try to understand that.
What is our connection to the MP election, boss?
You heard it? What a stupid question is he asking? If we get a black mark there, we'll have to face a CBA
Why
raid.
do you worry, boss? We are the rulers. Why should we fear? In by-elections, the government in power doesn't lose.
That's the reason I'm afraid, buddy. If we lose, we'll be answerable to good-for-nothing people. See the time the son of a bitch died. Who's big shot in that area?
Only in your life the brightness is shining.
Sir, He's been on our party for past 20
My
years.
greetings to you, sir.
Why is he sitting in that corner? Give me my specs. Who is this person? He's here for 20 years? I've never seen him.
Sir, coming constitution, for past 20 years, he was the dummy candidate for representing our party. Not that only, he had a very good voice in that area. And if we do our regular work means, he will definitely win, sir.
How much will you spend for the election?
Even to come to the office, I borrowed money from my wife. I have no money, sir.
What a reply. This guy is penniless.
Boss, if we need money, we should select another person. Should we win or should we get money?
Money is not at all important.
Then let him be the candidate.
Alright, after a long time, a good person is contesting. We should somehow win the election. So, can I announce that he is the candidate?
Yes, yes.
Coming by elections, our party candidate is.
Boss, good morning.
Huh? Hey, good morning, buddy.
Boss, nobody stood up. See, they are not giving respect to you.
Leave it. I'm not bothered about all this. They are all new to politics. That's the reason they behave like this.
Hey man, move! 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 Boss, you sit down.
What, boss? Did you receive the suitcase? Yeah, I've received it today. What happened? Have you come here to join as a fresh member to the party? Boss, I've come here for a seat for the by-election.
You just had brightness. It has become dark again. You have no chances of brightness anymore.
Look, the moment we sent you out from the party, we won the election. That's the only reason why people voted to our party and we won. Again, if you join here, what will the people think about us? Leave the people. What about the media? What are you talking, boss? Out of all the people sitting here, suggest one man who has not come in the paper for all the wrong reasons? If you bow your head like this, do you think you're all good people? Look, you decide that you don't want politics and you quit. Yes, boss, you're right. Because I'm getting old. Meeting people and welcoming them, listening to all those people is just required for me. Look, that person, Minister for Law. For the past 3 months, I'm trying to meet him to transfer a policeman. He's not giving an appointment. Does he know the spelling of law? He's just trying to act that he's very busy nowadays.
Sir, why this all details now? Please leave it.
Okay, we'll look after your matter in the next MLA election. This is MP election. Boss, I'm just asking you one seat for now. I just want one reply. Will you give me a seat or not? I want a seat this time. I will win and show you.
What will happen if we lose?
Were you a collector before this election? You were an office boy in the collector office. When I die, I should be a minister. Then alone they'll keep a statue for me. That is the reason I want to become a chief minister. You need not worry at all, boss. After you passing away, with all state respect, you will be cremated. I will keep a statue for you. It is my promise. Your statue will be at Marina Beach. That's enough for me. Okay, guys. Can I announce that he is a candidate of our party?
Okay, sir.
All right. We have decided that Mr. Anganan is representing
Thank
our
you,
party.
boss.
Give the shawl.
I don't know which to get. Oh, wait.
Buddy, what is this? You're having an opposition party
Boss,
shawl?
is it
If you had
this?
failed to give me the seat, I would have gone there. Okay, go ahead with your job. Buddy, please help him for our coming
As you
elections.
say, sir.
Our leader, Anganan.
Long live!
Our leader!
Long live!
Long live our
Long
leader!
live!
Hail to
Long
our
live!
leader! Long live our leader!
Long live!
Dude, he's friend of my father.
So what?
Hey, he will tell to my father. Come, we will leave.
Hey, did he came to a temple? He's also came for a
Brother,
drunk.
come here. brother.
Come
Yes,
down.
uncle.
See, come on, let's go.
Yeah, come
Hi,
to
uncle.
wine shop. Have you come to drink?
No, uncle, my friend's birthday, so we came to cut the cake.
Come on, dude.
You're just a sapling. Leaves haven't come out
My
yet.
father's
But
friend
I've
saw
come
me
to
because of
drink.
him.
Buddy, we should boost like anything today, okay?
Hey, order the drink soon.
Yeah! Yes!
Hey, why you have crushed that glass?
Hey, then how come you know this is my first round? According to our education ability, our basic salary is 5k only. What else we can do with that 5,000 rupees? It will be useful to buy bus ticket or milk packet only. You know how proud my father to made me study this degree? I made him to study here. I educated him there. Heavy torture, man. Mechanical engineering. What is the purpose of studying this degree? We will get job in some iron factory or mechanic shop, that's all. You drink, man.
Hey, what do you know about the course we have done? You don't know about the importance about it.
Huh? What's that important, dude?
Now we are sitting here, right? Nothing will be here without our contribution, dude.
Hey, what are you blabbering? Today's all of your liquor is my contribution. Where is your contribution?
Just have a look at this lid. It has been done by us.
Is it?
And this opener, without us, how come it came? We manufactured us. See that guy who is working in the laptop now? The screw is also manufactured by an engineer. From a small nail till an aeroplane, nothing will be there without us.
Hey buddy, you are pricing about our degree this much. Then why we are not getting a proper job or salary, man? But I can say one thing. Only one prophet getting this seat in our college. Other department students feared of us.
We have come here to forget all our problems. Why is it
You're
creating
right, man.
nuisance?
Excuse me, you have matchbox.
No matchbox. Hey, boy.
Hey, no boy. I have another fireman. Wait and see. Good evening, uncle. May God bless you. Thank
Uncle,
you.
greetings, uncle.
Uncle, do you have matchbox? What, uncle? You yourself massaging while I'm asking matchbox.
What, brother? You get it from the bar.
Okay. From how many years you drinking?
12 years.
Wow. From 12 years you drinking. From past 12 years you are drinking, but you don't have a knowledge to get a matchbox while coming to the bar. When I crossed you, you said something behind of
What
me.
did
Yes.
I say?
What was that?
Hey,
you
buddy,
wait,
buddy.
I'll say. You are sapling,
listen
the
that.
leaves not
Listen
yet come.
that.
You are drinking from 12 years. How many leaves do you have? Show me that. If it is grown on head, it will be seen. If it is grown on back, it will be tail. If it is grown on front, means it is
Hey, dude.
vomiting. Don't disturb. I want to see how many leaves do you have.
Everybody says I also say the same.
Uncle, you... Hey, show me, man.
Brother, I'm an old man. Give respect.
Respect you want. You are talking on behalf of a man. You need respect. Tell me,
correct.
bro.
Correct.
We need respect. I stab
Brother,
you on
I
the
will
head.
quit
Come
drinking,
after
brother.
some time. You have to show me all the leaf, or else I will kick both of you. Hi.
Hey, what an argument with a small boy.
What? He's small boy. Hey, I will
Hey,
come.
come on, enough, dude.
Hey, you have to show me
Hey,
the leaves.
let's go.
Already we are in the trouble of unemployment. He's asking us to show leaves.
What, uncle, at this time?
Nothing very special. I'm just walking.
Are you not feeling well?
No,
or,
not at all.
Okay, uncle,
well.
I'm leaving.
Okay.
What, mom? Before knocking the door, you have opened?
It's already 11 o'clock.
Tell that to your husband, mom. He is saying that I'm not at all having discipline. You're opening the door at the right time. Then what else the discipline I need?
Shall I wake him up and tell? What is it? Did you eat?
Yeah, I had it.
Who that broker has given you?
I told you a lot of times, don't call him broker.
Okay. Did he buy it for you?
Yeah, he has only got it for me. You should be sleeping at present. Go. Good night.
Good night.
Sir, your daughter has set an alarm for the street or her own self.
I'll just come. I'll ask her and tell.
Crazy father, crazy daughter.
Daddy,
Hey, good. You're looking very fresh.
I woke up at 4, bathed and got ready. But then it was only 5. But I have to leave at 6
It's
only.
already 6:15.
Oh my god, my interview! Oh, I'm late. Didn't even have my coffee. Dad is so irresponsible. Where's my bag?
What are you looking for?
Where's my bag, Daddy?
Look there. I kept it there for you.
Show.
Dear, I'm making some coffee for
No,
you.
thanks.
Drink little and go.
No, I'll drink at Auntie's house.
Normally you make it, I have it. Now I'm making, you're not having it.
Bye, Daddy.
Your bike is punctured. Take an auto and go if you don't mind.
Oh.
I'll put the puncture for you.
Who allowed him to use my bike? He's not thinking about me. First day interview. Already I'm late. Auntie? Auntie?
What a girl she is. For a coffee, she's making noise. Hey, Kirti, give us some coffee.
Auntie? Coffee!
Stop.
What? Won't you allow me?
You have some urgent work and shouting here? Here, have coffee and go.
It's look like so cold. Go and heat it.
Oh shit, look at here, it's very hot.
So cool it for me. Let me go to meet your brother.
Please don't disturb me. Tell me what you want.
Hey, are you awake?
Tell me what you want.
Can you drop me at office?
Why?
Bike is flat tire, yeah.
You didn't get any auto?
Don't I know that? Will you drop me or not?
Don't you have sense? I've told you a lot of times, right? I already told you, right? I will take only my mom and sister and my bike, okay?
Stop showing off. It's my emergency. I'm not asking you every day to drop me.
Every day I have to drop her. You came here to have a coffee, right? Have it and leave soon.
Wait and watch. Definitely one day you will need my help, Jiva. Then I will take revenge.
Hey, Swati, coffee is ready. Why are you dragging him morning itself?
If I tell something about your son, you'll get anger.
Hey, be careful. It's hot.
Have you started?
Uncle, do you know what is discipline?
Are you asking me?
Waking up early is a sign of discipline.
You see, I woke up at 6 o'clock, went to market and bought
I'm
vegetables.
not telling about you. Still, your son is sleeping inside.
That's your problem. I will take care of him. You leave.
Thank you, uncle.
Take care.
Huh?
Hey,
Yeah,
where is he? Still sleeping?
he has gone long time back.
Why are you blatantly lying? She just told me.
He is not here.
Huh? Did he leave?
One tea is free.
What?
We are taking that, right?
Bhumi, yesterday he was not there, na? He sung a song. What a song. Oh. Because of his philosophy, my total kick was vanished. Hey man, today you have to buy the drinks.
Too early in the morning?
What
Buddy,
else I can
shall
do?
we go for
You
a walk?
only sung the song. You have to buy it. Hey man, stop.
Instead of working, he is running there.
I also want to Hey man, don't you have sense?
Hey, help him, buddy.
Wait, man. He drunk in the morning itself. Hey idiot, you don't have sense?
Hey,
With respect.
leave
Hey
him.
idiot, you don't have.
No.
You're opposing a leader.
Bro, this is very ridiculous. Come, we will escape. Hey, you, wait. Wait for me, I am also coming. Wait.
Buddy, why are you running so fast?
You brutals.
What
If
happened,
we taking a
buddy?
selfie and post it on Facebook means we'll get a likes. Leave just like that.
Buddy, were you going for jogging?
Hey, there is one killed by very brutal.
What?
There is a murder in cinema means also look around. Hope they will stand with me, but he is run.
Hey, someone is killing someone. You saw that murder? He has got a lot of markings on his head. Why should we need to pull unwanted problems?
Hey, Harish and Danish run left and right to their homes.
Did they escape?
Huh.
Oh,
Hey.
hey, what is wrong
Hey,
with you,
hello?
buddy?
You mental.
Hey,
Put
hey,
that down.
be
Tell me,
normal,
Dad.
You are-
man.
Dad.
Have you started?
Yeah, I'll be there sharp 10 o'clock, Dad.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What happened, sir? No one is here? Isn't the interview today? Isn't everyone here yet? Actually, I'm always punctual, sir. Others are so irresponsible.
You're saying that? It's been 6 months you joined here. Have you come at least one day on time? Always late?
No, sir.
What? No. Cameraman reached here at 6:15 a.m. And our special guest reached here by 6:30 a.m. And you, who's going to interview the guest, you're reaching here by 8 a.m.? Then how will the channel grow?
Already we lost 15 minutes here. Let me conduct the interview.
Not required. Already she's taking the interview. It's going to finish now.
Sir.
Just a minute. Keep this 500. You go and give this to our MD's house.
Sir, how could I
This
do?
is your punishment for today.
I'll come fast, sir.
Not required. You come tomorrow morning. But you should be here at right time. Okay? Out.
Hey Ramurthy.
Sir, I'll just come back, sir. What, brother? Why are you staring at the chappals?
I have to leave the slippers here.
Everybody has left it here. You also leave it here and go.
It's okay. Is there no stand for the slippers to be kept?
Go, it is there. What kind of people come here?
Say, what happened to my matter?
I've already told it. Your job will be done today. Sir, she has been following for so many days. Please get the job done for her, sir.
Thank you,
It's
sir.
all right, ma'am. I don't need thanks from you. Your job will be done tomorrow. Please come and meet
Okay,
me
sir.
tomorrow. Oh my God.
They have hidden the stand somewhere here. They are genius.
Brother,
Huh?
brother, what are you doing with these chappals?
That's fine, brother. Tell me how long that's gonna take for this.
Take it 5 minutes?
If I'm also leaving the slippers like others here, then what would have happened? Someone will come behind me. He will have a lecture session at least for an hour. Will it be okay?
Who's that?
Huh? I have saved you from him, okay?
Who's that?
Watch there.
Hey Ramurthy.
Sir, I'm coming.
Jiva.
Huh.
Varadarajan will come here. Ask him to wait. I'll go and collect the check.
Okay, Dad. That's fine, Dad.
I know about your punctuality, sir. Check is ready, sir.
Thank you.
Here it is.
Uncle, both of you, where are you going?
No, your father asked me to come here.
Oh.
Jiva.
Huh?
Deposit check for clearing today.
Huh.
I'll go with him to advocate's office.
Okay,
Right?
Dad. Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Sir, is he your son?
Yes.
You brought him up in a good way.
You should tell it after he leaves. Don't say that in front of him. You can leave. Go. Let's go.
He will also not appreciate. He will not allow those to.
What's this, buddy? Hey, why are you staring like this? You will kill some bloody bugger on the road? And I'm busy here for the coming elections. You want to spoil my name? Henceforth, till the elections are over, you should not step into this place. Get lost somewhere.
Go, man. Go immediately. Boss will kill you.
Brother, I've got the seat after spending a lot. Somehow we should win. Until then, all our people should keep quiet. Give them instructions. We should not get into any problem. Now our only aim is to win.
Okay, sir.
Take it.
What is this?
Money. Don't you want?
How much?
150.
Give me 250.
For what, cheater?
Cheater? How dare you call me a cheater?
Okay, leave it. 75 on way, 75 returning. So 150, right?
In between, you went to courier office. Who will give money for that?
Don't talk about that. I'm already in mood off, so please stop it. Take this money and leave from here.
Leave from here? You
Yeah.
are giving instructions while traveling the auto. You're telling me to go
Hey,
now?
you are an auto driver. I direct you the route, okay? So let me so reasonable. Take this 100 and leave.
Why are you giving me this? You can have it yourself.
I'm not paying you. Go.
Sister, don't create unnecessary problem. Give me that money.
Hey, I'll just pay 150. That's it.
You give me at least 200 rupees, madam.
Really? One sec. Actually, tell me your ID number.
Oh,
Show me your
you're
license.
going to call the
What's
police.
your name?
You're going to threaten me.
Huh?
We also have a union here.
Which union? Which locality? Huh?
What are you going to do
Leave
after
my
knowing?
hand. Hey, you
Hey.
don't know who I am.
Hey,
I am
madam.
a journalist.
Hey.
Tomorrow I'll report about you. I won't
Hey,
leave you.
Get lost. I
Tell
don't
me-
need your
tell
money.
me your auto
Hey,
ID
you do
number.
whatever you want. I cannot
Come
give
here.
my ID number. You pay the money
Hey,
first.
I won't leave you. How
Hey,
dare you
get
try to
lost.
charge me more?
Leave it, dear.
Leave my hand. Brother?
Brother?
Yes, brother. How much?
What? You want to start from the beginning?
Be polite, brother. Brother, 75 up and 75 down. So
Again?
totally 150, right?
Again?
Hey, how much you want?
What? Hey?
Yes, cheater.
I'm a
You
cheater?
asked me 250. Here, have this 500. If I see you again around here, I'll kill you.
Hey, when I asked you
Leave
200,
from
you
here.
give me 500? Are you
How
mad?
dare you do
it's
this?
a good
I'm
day for
coming
me.
inside.
I'm going to enjoy
I'll kill
today.
you. Auntie? Auntie?
Why are you shouting like this? By mistake, I would have put my hand inside.
Outside a big problem, auntie.
No one there.
Right. Your son didn't see it from outside. You're his mom. How could you have seen it?
Okay, now tell me what happened.
Morning,
Mother,
I got
leave it.
late.
She will say a lot of makeup stories. Ask me. I'll tell you what happened.
No, auntie,
Hey,
I'll tell.
Shh. Mother, there is an argument between a guy and a girl. Who should be stopped
I'll
initially?
stop the
No,
guy.
no, 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 auntie.
Hey, all the people in the street trying to stop you.
Auntie,
but
he
still
don't know
he is
what is the
fighting with that
issue.
guy. Hey, she's not at all allowing me to talk here. Then think about that guy's situation. He is a poor guy. She is shouting a lot and he is afraid. And also I have to support her at the situation.
He calls me a brat, auntie.
My brother always used to say the truth only, but today he is perfect.
Ask her.
The whole family is attacking me.
Oh my
See her
god.
performance. What an acting, huh?
Hey, get lost. She is innocent. Why are you teasing her?
Anganan, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm his family lawyer. You came here to complain against him. Go and live peacefully. Why you are taking risk anonymous? For a piece of land, why you are risking your life? Go.
Sir, you are a knowledgeable advocate in this town, but why do you discourage us?
Shit, he came here. Greetings, sir.
Are you not ashamed to tell that you're a lawyer?
To an advocate who studied MBBS. If there is a tap means bad water is also comes and good water is also come. Like that, party meeting means there will be good words and also bad words. You send us notice without knowing this. Look here. Hereafter you send any notice to our boss mains.
Sir,
Sir, this is my friend. Your people are asking his land for a low price.
My last warning, I should not hear anything more. If I again hear something, before I finish you, I will have to finish these people.
you are having a 4 assistants.
Advocate, be careful.
If I try to save you means I'll lose my life. Get lost.
Come.
Mom, B results.
Hey, don't shout. She's only here.
Daddy?
What?
Daddy, I tried the answer, but I didn't get the answer.
Mom, why dad is so tense now?
I don't know. He was alright.
Is this the one?
Yes, Daddy.
See how she is coaxing him.
Sir? Sir?
Come, Pandey. Come.
Sir, can you fill up the form for me, sir?
Is it a bank loan? You want to buy cattle?
No, sir. I'm going to join my son in the convent. Last night, completely I was in school premises. It was too crowded in the morning, sir. Once I got the form, straight away I came to meet you, sir. Here, sir.
It's a well-known school, Pandey.
Sir, the form alone is 500 rupees, sir.
Yes, sir, sure. You collect it from me tomorrow.
Sir, if you fill it up now, I will take it to the school today itself, sir.
No, I have to get attestation.
Sir?
No, I have to get a signature.
Oh.
You come and collect it tomorrow.
Oh,
I'll
okay,
get it
sir.
for you. Huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jiva. Hello, sir.
Yes? If you filled up the form, give it down in the office.
Just a small clarification, sir. Look at the 7th page of this form, sir.
Please sit.
It's okay, sir.
7th page are terms and conditions.
Yes, sir. Terms and conditions are on the 7th page. The form's price is 500 rupees. It will not be returned should be put on the first page. But who should buy this form? What are the qualifications expected? If you had put it on the same page, one who has bought this form wouldn't have wasted his money.
How can I ask it from everybody who's buying it?
You don't have to ask everyone who buys a form, but you know very well that they are illiterate or not. You could have asked them just this. Is the form for you? Had you asked that question, he would have known that his son will not get admission in this school. He would have saved hard-earned 500 rupees.
So you're the victim
You
today?
just have 50 seats in your school, but you have sold more than 7,000 forms. Even well-educated people too want an admission for their children in this school. But this guy slept here at the gates in the night and took the form in the morning. I am speaking about those people. Those uneducated, illiterate people will not know your rules. I am uneducated, but my son should come up big in life. With that intention, he comes here. He waits in the queue and gets a form for his son. To earn that 500 rupees, he has to get up at dawn and supply milk to 50 houses shown this. He earns by sweat and toil, but you take it easily away from him. You say education is important to all, but you make it a business. And because of your business, a studious but a poor boy should never think that education is not for us, and only for the rich because of your lowly activities. Let's go.
Hey, why police
Sir
coming?
is calling you.
For what?
He doesn't have money to buy tea, so he's calling
Can I
you.
give you, sir?
No, dude.
Come on, guys.
Don't worry, man. There are only
I'm getting
police.
scared, dude.
Just follow me, bro.
Huh? Hey, what's wrong with you? Nothing, sir. I'll get nervous once I see the police. What? I don't know this guy, sir. Just came for a tea. I have to tell that. It's okay. Before 2 days, there is a murder in this area. Have you seen?
Someone is killing someone. Why we have to caught in that problem? I haven't seen that, sir.
You're in this area, right?
7th Street, sir.
It's your regular tea shop, right? Where you met yesterday.
We were here, but we went early, sir.
Earlier means?
Is it our office or what, sir? And that day we had our work, so we went early. Today we don't have any other works.
Okay. Tomorrow morning, you'll come to Saidapet Court.
Why, sir, I have to come there?
You didn't see the murder, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Then come to court tomorrow. Our 4 guys will be there tomorrow. Come and tell they are the murderers.
I can't do that, sir.
Hey, constable, get them in car.
Why I have to come, sir?
What? You have smoked in a public, right? Don't you know you can't do that in a public?
Why, sir, unnecessarily
Excuse me,
you
sir.
are-
Who are you?
Press.
What?
Press.
Let me do it. Hey, you raise a hand against police. You're asking a reason for arrest.
Sir. All these guys are college students, sir. No need to create unnecessary problem. That girl says she's from the press. We will leave them, sir, please.
Hey, just leave. You know who is a murderer, right? Huh? He said have to hide his name from press. What should we do? They are this area guys and college students. We have to get them to magistrate to drop this case. If we get some other means, the case will get prolonged as much as.
Sir-
Get them.
Sir, I will arrange for a person, sir. Please come. Come, sir.
You're a localist, right? I'll get you once. Start the car.
You both have no other work at all. This doesn't happen in any other house. Only here.
Daddy, brother, come.
So what? Let him come.
If father and son is at home, it'll be a real headache for me. Son will say no. Father will shout.
MA? So early? Coimbatore?
Will you go? No.
Sure.
Now he said okay and went in. No? She will go right behind him with a cold coffee.
How come, Daddy?
That's how it is.
Great, Daddy, you are.
Hey, now itself go and tell the truth. Later on, he will not ask.
When did I lie?
You told me that you want to go to Coimbatore and study.
Definitely I'm going to Coimbatore only.
Hey, you are going to leave me and your friends here?
you're asking practically. To be frank, I'm not at all interested to go there leaving you guys. But I'm really happy to leave my dad from here. At least I'll be happy for 2 years there. But still, you are not at all allowing
I have
me.
pretended to cool off the cold coffee. It's my mistake. You have no work and your father also.
Mom, give me that coffee at
I
least.
have already poured it out.
Where the hell he has gone? Brother, how are you?
Brother, what a surprise you're here.
Just came to see my friend. Okay, what happened to your child's school issue?
Yeah, he's joined, brother. Your father also knows about that school. It's a very good school. Fees is also very less.
Super, brother. 1 minute,
Okay, brother,
I'm getting
carry
a call,
on. I'm
okay?
leaving.
Okay, brother. Hello?
It's horrible. Who's the relation of Varadarajan?
Jimmy.
Take it, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Who are his relatives?
He is the person, sir.
Sir,
Who are you to him?
just opposite house.
Does he is an orphan?
No, sir. He has a daughter. Only father and daughter. I know them for 15 years.
Leave that. If she will come to sign, or she also dead?
Why you speak unnecessarily? She is mentally upset. Show some basic concern, sir.
Hey, if I concern with everyone means I can't attend more than 2 cases per day. What you are telling now? She can sign or not?
Sir, I will sign the document, sir. I am a school teacher. If any problem arises, I will take care.
Oh, is it? Did you that much a big person?
Dad, what's happening
Nothing,
here?
be quiet.
See, hero has came. Tell him he will solve all the problems.
Sir, I will give you my school details, sir. I will sign the document, sir.
Okay. You're a neighbor, right? Go and sign. Constable, get the sign.
Okay, sir.
Sir, give some respect, okay?
Jiva.
What?
Sir,
You want a
don't mind.
respect? Want me to bend to your father?
Sir, why are you replying to all those people, sir? What is your range, sir?
Range? Huh? You're putting a same-side goal. Go and get the sign. See the face finally? First get that girl away.
Just after the third day rights, you cannot take her away with you.
She is our girl. Then why we want to ask permission to you?
I never said that you should take my permission. Ask her opinion is what I said. What you say is right, but how many times have you come in these years? What is her qualification? What she wants? Do you know anything? You know nothing about her, but you want to take her away with you.
You're now telling not to take her from this
I
house.
never said no. Talk to her, ask her opinion, and take her.
Come.
Give us 3 days. I'll talk to her and try to console her. Please, before that, you don't confuse
You
things.
had lunch?
She didn't even drink water. Then how can we eat?
Hey, come.
Hey, come.
Come.
Come. Come. I tell you to come here.
I won't come.
Go, I say.
Get her inside.
Get in.
Get it.
Get her.
Leave me.
Take the car.
The ugly girls in our village, they want to marry me. But I decided I have to marry her only.
For you, I get the car and guys here.
It seems you have a plan too.
I don't want marriage. Let me stay here itself. Help! Help!
Hey, shut up. Shut them up.
Hey, why are you applying sudden brake like this?
Huh? See, there is another competitor standing on the road. That's why.
Huh?
Hey, go that side.
Why are you coming over here?
Get her out of the car.
I need to get a permission from you to get my girl.
That's none of your business. Come on, let her to come out of the car. I don't know you. Will I leave you
Hey,
now?
finish him.
Jiva! Jiva!
Don't come out.
Wait, leave me.
When there is a problem comes to girl only, we comes to know that our friend has this much talent. Even I too want to beat someone, but everybody is looking very bold.
I made a little mistake. Master!
Jiva! Ah!
He is bulkier than everyone. I don't know what to do.
Jiva!
You like to be violent, but I like to be silent.
Oh God, he is appreciating our friend's talent. I thought this Hulk boy is very bad boy, but he is very good boy.
What is this, Master? What you did?
You saw how he thrashed those guys? Start your car, we'll go home.
I was starting in search of you. Oh, you brought her with you? Why is it torn?
Dad, while coming back, there was a small problem.
Did
so
you fight? Will you not listen to me at all? Why did you fight?
It's not my problem, Dad. He only attacked me first of all. Hey, I fought with that guy to save you only, right? Come on, tell him.
Yeah, uncle. Actually,
There is nothing wrong in bringing you here. You just get and go. But there is a procedure.
What procedure I failed to follow? I requested, they didn't allow. So I just bet them and took her away.
Why is there no police?
Police. The same guy who talked on that day at mortuary. Just go ahead and complain to him that someone is kidnapping her. Instead, he will kidnap her. Better to go with that guy itself.
You should have spoken again with him once.
Dad, nothing happened when you spoken also.
What are you trying to tell me?
I didn't commit any mistakes. I just stopped the unwanted things which she didn't like.
You will fight in the streets, tear your shirts, and I shouldn't say anything. I should not mind all these things.
Swati, come inside. Hey, come inside, come.
Hey,
I must keep...
what I've been telling him and we are calling him in, he is getting spoiled because of you.
He is spoiled, no? Okay, let it be. During fight, so many things
There is
happen.
no value to my words, huh? Hey, take this.
What is this, Dad?
Huh?
Why this much of hurry for this?
Just don't give me any reasons. This is important. Understand this.
Oh, this is the result of yesterday's happening.
What?
Nothing. I'm just checking where I have to sign.
I've marked it in pencil. I have filled up the form, including the PIN code. You have to do nothing. Go to college, get your original mark sheet, get it xeroxed. To attach it, you have a pin also inside.
Okay. See what your husband has done?
Why are you so haste now?
I just now explained. Don't ask me again. Go. Why are you staring at me?
Jiva, you fought for me yesterday. Is that why he is sending you away?
Hey, it's a long time plan, you know, but there is no connection with yesterday's happening. You just don't get confused. Don't think about anything, okay? I'll be back as soon as possible.
Good morning, sir.
Did I ask for this? Stop saluting people unnecessarily. Go.
Good morning, sir.
You are passed out in first class. Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Come, Japan. Now, who is your girl?
Now, with which girl are you flirting?
Okay, put your original signature.
What, sir? You have asked only one signature to him and you are asking lot of signatures to me?
Jiva, if you have arrears like the other guys, you should come to college often. But you have passed out with flying colors. So you won't be coming to college anymore. That is why.
Hi, sisters
Why
out
you
there?
asking here? You need Xerox only, no?
Original certificates don't have a job now. What I'm going to do with Xerox copies? Stupid question.
How many copies?
2 copies.
Can I take this?
It'll be useful for the arrears.
I don't use this during college itself. Why should I use now?
You are not going to correct yourself.
Is there any problem in college?
No, what happened?
It's written bad here.
They have printed good for him. I'm a rank holder. How come they would have given bad
See
for
yourself.
me? Yes, dude, they have mentioned as bad.
Come, let's
come
go
on.
to the college.
Brother, you forgot this certificate.
Hey, careful.
Hey, dude.
Hey, buddy,
What's happened to him?
Why are you running? Buddy.
Dude,
Jiva
what
certificate,
happened?
it's mentioned that character is bad.
What are you telling?
Come, let's go and see.
Sir, what is this, sir?
To issue the certificate is my job. Whatever you want, go ask the principal. Go to the principal.
Don't make anybody stand here. Let them all go.
Buddy, what is this nonsense? They put good for me in the certificate, and for you they put bad.
Discipline. This is the most
To become a
powerful
professor.
word.
That's my dad's dream. He's saying that I don't have any discipline. What else I need then?
Maributhu, let's go with me. Come on.
Here, sir.
Buddy, let's go inside. Come, let's go.
Sir?
Come on, my student. You come here to tell me that you're going to leave the college?
Yes, sir. But what I'm coming to...
Tell me, Jiva. Don't hesitate to tell me.
Sir, a small mistake has happened.
You need some correction?
No, sir. Nothing like that, sir.
Then what?
But it has been mentioned as bad in my conduct certificate.
When everything is right, then that should also be right.
I studied in this college for last 4 years, sir. My dad came here on the first day of my admission. After that, my dad hasn't come here. Till date, I haven't committed any mistakes, sir. I haven't seen you earlier by committing any mistakes. Then how come it has been mentioned here, sir?
Is this your signature?
Sir, nothing happened like this, sir. Sir, I haven't written anything like
Whose
this, sir.
signature is that?
Sir, the signature. Signature is mine only, sir.
Has anybody signed for you there?
You're asking me a lot of signature? Sir, just now I can recognize, sir. While getting the certificate, I have put lot of signatures.
I'm telling you're wrong. You're telling management is wrong.
Sir, I'm not talking about your mistake or my mistake, sir. I will not be worrying if you have printed fail mark in my mark sheet, sir. But my dad, what he is requesting from me, you have certified that I don't have that character. Sir, why, sir, you have done like that?
I'll tell you the reason.
Look, Jiva, he's our college correspondent.
What are you looking? I'm the one who asked to put the bad in certificate.
I've seen you somewhere. Is that you? I have told you sorry on that day
On the
itself,
day
no?
you have slapped me, I'm ready to smash you itself. You know why I even do that? I have an habit to take an important thing from one. You have been an artist. I'll take off your eyes and I'll make you blind and I'll ask you to draw a diagram to kill you. If it's you're a businessman, I'll get your all properties and I'll make you as a beggar. But you are not that much worth. Do you know why I asked you to come? You the one made me to think a lot to make a revenge on you. The last 7 days, I have struggled a lot. But now I'm being very happy.
That's my mistake only.
Hey,
I will fall
I'm
on
not
your
a god
legs.
to save you when you bend your knees. Got it? I'm a devil from hell to change your destiny. If you want to touch my food means you have to get a permission from me. Did your father is a founder of a diplomacy? Huh? Go and give this certificate to him. Take this to home and make a big frame. Ask him to see this and go to hell.
Hey, what the hell you are talking, huh? Hey, come on, leave me, guys. What the hell he is talking? He's talking about that? How dare he can talk about my dad, huh? Hey, I will not leave you.
See here. This is the last time I want to see you out. This is your warning. Be ready.
Sir, take some away, sir. Sir, don't get the problem, sir. Please,
Hey, what are you talking? Will you leave him if he scold about your dad?
Jiva, I know what all has happened here. There is no use talking to them. Let's go meet his father.
Who is he?
Angannan.
Opposition party MLA was murdered on the road. Boss, do you know these people?
You're questioning me.
Anyhow, they are coming here. No, we can ask them.
Hello, sir.
You guys are from the youth wing. Should I come as a guest for some function?
No, sir.
Recommendation, donation, or invitation. Whatever it is, tell brothers.
Sir, what I am coming
Why
to
are
say...
you hesitating to tell what is in your mind? I am there for you. Tell me what you want. What is your problem?
No, I'm a student of your college.
Which college, guys?
MVK.
Boss, it is also our college only.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, tell me what's your problem.
Nothing, sir. They have mentioned us bad in the conduct certificate.
Did they put us bad?
Isn't it? It was that.
Do they mention such words in the certificate?
You said me something else, right?
Hey, he is blabbering something and you're listening that.
It's not like that, sir. It's bad.
Oh, bad. Okay, have you paid fees in the college?
Yes, sir. I have done it on time.
Then why did they mention as bad? All the money has been collected. Have you got the fees receipt with you?
Yes, sir. I'm having it.
Alright, what is your name?
Jivanand.
Do one thing. You take all the receipts and tomorrow morning you go to the college. Hey,
Yes.
inform the principal and do what is needful,
Okay, boss.
okay? Brother, hope you have joined our party.
Sir, we have to join.
Before your next visit, you join my party and you become members, okay?
Yes, sir.
After joining our party, you should not wear this type of dress. You have to wear our party uniform only, or else they will not allow you. Okay, now you can go. Go.
Thank you so much,
Carry
sir.
on, carry on.
I think he didn't aware about his son's issue. After got a certificate, don't come here again.
Definitely. I will not come here.
What happened to him? Hey, what are you doing here?
I was about to home only. But I don't know what to say to Dad. He will ask me whether I have applied for ME. I just can't lie for that.
Go home later as usual. Come back morning earlier. Return to home happily after finishing the work.
That will be a good idea. Okay, dude. I'm leaving now.
Why you start soon?
By this time, Dad would have slept. Mom will be waiting for me.
Okay, take care.
Okay.
Hey,
Huh?
give me that file. Don't show to mom.
Hey, why are you so early today?
Nothing, Mom. Is Dad is sleeping now? Still, he hasn't slept.
I don't know. Today he had his dinner early and went up. Okay, you go now, otherwise he'll shout.
Dad?
Huh? What happened in college today?
Nothing, Dad.
You've been going to college for 4 years. Have I ever asked you what you do, what is going on? Today I'm calling you for an inquiry means that I know what happened in the college. Alright. Has ever anybody complained against you?
No, Dad.
Did anybody swear at you? Do you know how happy I am because of you? In a house, a father retires at 9 and gets up at 6 o'clock means that he has a very good son. You missed your photo here. I came to college with that. That's when they told me that your son is indisciplined. If someone says something about my son, will I believe that? Daily you go out with your friends and come happily late in the night. But today you have come early. That too fearing my words. I never worried even when you came late. But I really feel upset today. I've been very strict with you all time. But why? A boy without father's reprimand and a girl without marriage will lose their life. That was the reason. You have scored well. I asked you to take up mechanical engineering. You never questioned me but finished college. Do you know why I asked you to take up mechanical engineering? From a small nail to a flying plane, mechanical engineering is always there. That industry will never die. I wanted you to be a professor. My intention was not that you invent something. You should become a professor. and create 100 achievers from that department was my wish. And I strongly believe that you will create. Hey, some crazy guy has written bad in your contact certificate and will I believe it?
No, Dad. They will rewrite it tomorrow itself, Dad.
If they change it, I will be happy. Jiva, if you don't want to discuss about a particular topic, then it becomes the weakness. I'll tell you right now. Father will be only your strength and never will be your weakness, Jiva. Did you eat?
No, Dad.
Come, let's go.
Jiva,
Yeah, I'm coming, Dad.
He used to get up exactly at 6 o'clock. Why is he still sleeping? I don't know what the father and son were talking on the terrace. It's already 7 o'clock. Why are you sleeping?
Is it 7 o'clock? Is coffee ready? Okay, I'll brush it.
Okay.
It's surprise. You're doing work in the morning?
Why are you going so early today?
Mom, I have to go to the college to give these forms. That's
No
why.
wonder he's talking like that. Eat and go.
I'll have it later, okay?
Don't go on empty
Take care,
stomach.
Mom.
Going out without breakfast.
See, he's came.
Hey, give me a bike,
Have you got
man.
catch?
Dad already knows everything, buddy.
Oh my god, what are you saying?
At this kind of situation only, buddy, we will know who is carrying on us. At this time, I really understood how my dad is caring for me. My aim is to become a professor after completing ME.
Brother, you told a nice word. All the best.
buddy.
Definitely you can do, bro. I already told you, no? Bro, just give me your bike, no?
Hey, it's time for me. I have to go to the college.
Yeah, I will come and you can go.
Okay, take his bike.
What in his bike? He won't keep 2 teaspoons of petrol in his bike. He's such a miser.
Hi, buddy.
Rosie,
I
idiot.
thought you went to the college. Good, you didn't go today.
Hey, please give me, buddy.
It's okay. I'll take his bike, okay?
Thank you so
go.
much. Thank you, thanks a lot. Shit.
I thought this issue would have sorted at the college itself, but I have to see him again.
Forget, buddy. He will not take this very seriously. He's very busy nowadays. Who is calling me now? Tell me, buddy. You killed that stupid fellow. Buddy, a small problem.
What problem?
My father is puking at home. I'll go and come back within half
an hour.
Okay, you check how much time will it take.
Brother, is sir available?
Sir, it's a very important meeting. You will have to wait for some time.
Okay, buddy. I'll go and come.
Hey, buddy, my file! Shit. Hello?
Jiva, had you food?
No, I'm yet to have it.
What about the
I'll
certificate?
talk to you later, okay?
Don't know what is happening.
Why did you take my father, buddy? Hey, if you had come to drink with me, why should I take your father? Hey, drunkard should be always serious. I'm talking to you, you're not concentrating?
Hey, buddy, where are you now?
Buddy, I'll reach in half an hour, buddy. Please, buddy.
No explanation. Be there itself.
What, bro? You're not going to have lunch?
What happened? Morning also you didn't eat properly. Now you also you're staring at the food.
Did Jiva call you? It's 2 and he hasn't come yet.
Meanwhile, if sir come by this way, sir will be coming, right?
I don't know, brother.
Brother?
Who's that?
Don't No, he's waiting till morning.
Bro, you can go now. Please come tomorrow.
It's okay, sir. I will meet him today.
You have been waiting here for a long time without having food.
Bro.
Boss, hereafter I don't talk
Sir,
about that.
greetings, sir.
What, bro? I told you to go to the college. You have come
I
here.
went to the college, but they haven't got any information, it seems. That's what I came.
What, bro? You would have got the information by 10 a.m. You're coming and meeting me at 4 p.m. You came by
I
walk.
came here by 10 o'clock itself, sir. He didn't allow me inside.
This is the way they are spoiling my name. Now what will you tell? You went to Angan's house. You waited for a long time. But no use at all. Do one thing. You come tomorrow by 9 a.m. itself. Security, come here.
yes, sir.
This boy will come tomorrow by 9 a.m. itself.
Okay, sir.
Do one thing. Put a chair for him
Sure,
and
sir.
let him sit here.
Okay.
Brother, you be here 9 a.m. tomorrow. At least from tomorrow, I should not hear any complaint that nobody is respecting when you go to Angan's house. That is my only wish. You know very well that who all should enter my house because you are a learned man.
Sir, I didn't requested any job. I just came for the certificates.
What are you going to do after getting the certificate? You're going to try a job, right? I myself will give you a job. E is before D. I know that. You can come and join tomorrow itself. Okay, let me leave now.
Sir, so you won't give the corrected certificate, right?
You will keep hands on my son and knowing that I should change the certificate for you? If I decide you will not be able to live in this world. Since I'm contesting in this coming election, I'm leaving you alive.
Then my
Why
certificates?
are you asking the same question again? Certificate. Hey, he doesn't understand my language. You try your language. Tomorrow morning he should be here on time for his job.
Hey,
Take him that
what are you
side.
talking
It's a foreign
to?
car. It will get
Hey,
scratched.
what are you talking to our leader?
Hey,
How dare you to
listen
talk
us.
like this?
You need beatings or what?
Hey, leave him. He can't even fight. Oh, give me sound up.
Yeah, bro.
Brother, who's Bhuminathan here?
Why you having for Bhumi?
I will talk to him, brother.
Hey, I'm the Bhumi. What's the matter?
I need a room just to stay tonight alone.
You came alone, right?
Yeah, I've come alone.
Okay, how much will you give?
150, bro.
What you will get for 150?
I'll just sleep tonight and go by morning 5 a.m., bro.
I'll come. Give me.
What, bro? You're locking the door from outside?
Huh? For all your safety.
What safety, bro?
Hey, you came here for 150 rupees rent. You don't have a rights to talk and question.
Sorry, bro.
What's your native?
Metupalayam, bro.
Hereafter anyone comes from your place means give my number.
Sure, bro.
Okay. We reach. Your good luck. It's free.
What, bro? The room is full of dark. Please switch on the light. Huh? What, bro? You're showing the bathroom.
Hey, have you think for 150 you'll get an apartment? What's your demand? A room for night stay and morning bath, right? Is it not enough? You don't want means okay. Already
Okay, sorry,
participating.
bro. I will manage here itself tonight.
They are coming only for me. Oh, is he? He'll take a lecture of dignity overnight. Dad, tell me.
Where is Jiva?
Hope he is in ground. He didn't come yet.
The phone is not reachable.
Okay, Dad. I'll go and see and ask to make a call.
Ask him to call immediately.
Okay, Dad. He didn't go to home. Where he is? What, bro? Are you smashed? You got catched after a long time. You deserve a lot of things. Constable, file a 4-5 case against him. 6 months. No, at least made a 15 days remand to him. Hey, you have played with me, right? Boy, you have played with them. At least we'll relieve you after 6 months. But them, till you dead, they won't leave you. Definitely they will kill you. I think a bad time for your whole area. You have fought with me on a mortuary that day. You know how he was died? Wait, I'll tell you.
You guys are threatening for the sake of his land.
Before I finish you, I will have to finish these people.
Hangana made an accident to kill him. At least he is okay. You know how about his son?
Hey man, whenever you leave me out, I will tell everything about you in the media.
You need your tongue to speak out, right? Hold him. 6 feet height. He made him as a 2 feet. You are not enough to them. Hey, you can talk to anyone regarding to this. Can't you go anywhere? If you go anywhere means he will know that. Rest of your life is in his son's hand. Hey, what the treatment you have give? Give me the stick. Can't even give me the break.
Hello?
Brother?
Hey, where are you, man?
Brother, I'm in station only. Brother, I'm beating a person who is making an issue in our house.
Hey, why are you hitting him, man? He himself is a young boy. Guys would have drunk. That's why they would have had a fight. I am telling you to catch a whale and you're trying to catch a fish. You did not do anything to him. My son will look after him. Just throw him away and within half an hour you should reach here. Or else, I will finish you.
Okay, brother, I'll be there. Hey, tie him and take to the car. On the way, we'll throw him anywhere. Hey, what are you doing there? Throw him and come soon. Me and my friend coming in a bike, we got an accident.
Okay, take him to ICU.
Sorry, please wait here.
He's here. Buddy, why did you tell us to come here? What's so urgent?
Met with an accident.
Accident? For who?
To Jiva. For
Jiva. What are you telling?
While coming in bike, slip accident.
Okay,
Small
I
injuries.
hope you have not informed his house.
Oh, I have informed.
Why did you inform his father? They'll be really upset now.
Did I have a wish to call him and inform?
You're a mad
He's calling me
fucker.
while coming.
Please bring the medicines of this list.
Hey,
Where do
do
you
you
have
have
money
money?
with you?
Dude, I have money. Come on.
Look here, Jiva's parents will be coming. Don't blabber to them, okay?
Hey,
What?
have
Hey,
you mentioned?
where is he?
Dad, nothing to worry.
Where is he?
Mom, treatment is going on. Nobody's allowed inside.
Actually, a bike accident.
Bike?
Nothing to worry, Mom.
When he went on empty stomach itself, I thought, why was he in such a hurry?
That's just a skid accident, not a big injury.
If nothing has happened, why
Nothing to
is he in
worry.
the hospital?
Doctor has just informed us
Why
now.
is there blood on your shirt?
Oh my god. What happened to him?
Nothing serious. They are treating him now.
Why he has been admitted in the
You said
hospital?
minor injuries, but why so many
What
medicines?
is this? Don't stand like this. Go and sit in the reception,
Okay,
please.
sister. Go.
From which way doctor will come?
He'll be coming this side, sir.
From here? Thank you.
Okay.
What?
Don't say any dialogue. I have tried my best. Rest of this in God's hand means they are very tensed. Tell them everything will be alright, okay? Nothing to worry. Doctor said.
There is nothing to worry. There was heavy blood loss because his nose was broken. Only 3 hours rest he need, that's all.
Okay, doctor. Can we go and see him?
Yeah,
now?
you can. But make sure one by one.
Come.
Madam, no one should go inside. Already one person is there. Let him come out and then you go.
Mom, what shall we do
Don't
now?
forget to pay the bill, okay? Okay.
Do you think am I a fool? Somebody bit him red and blue. We can give treatment only. We cannot protect him. You take him out and give treatment.
Can I get him to whom?
Morning we will discharge him.
Oh my god. Why he is in such a condition?
Nothing to worry. Let him take rest.
What is this? If he has fallen down from the bike?
The doctor told us there is no problem. You don't worry.
I have already told him many times not to go fast like this.
Doctor said morning we can discharge.
Oh, okay.
58, 59, 60. Prabhu, give this to everyone. No one should oppose us.
Bro, Pugaranthi also accept to get money.
If he is accepting, then we will win as unopposed.
Everything is right, but you left him alone.
Who, buddy?
Who raised a hand on brother?
Huh?
Actually, inspector also said he is ready to
He's
be.
a small boy, buddy. You know something? He'll be watching his shapeless face in the mirror now.
Jiva, relax. Unknown fear.
Why should we get fear? He committed a mistake, I asked him. I even asked apologies. I'm telling you one thing, Dad. My fate can be decided by you and Mom only, Dad. Even God doesn't have that rights to, Dad. I don't know who is he. Who is he to decide my future, Dad? On that day, there was a problem in our street itself. They have killed our uncle also. Did we done something? Now the problem is because of him only.
No, Jiva. Can we do something legally
Dad,
for...
what are you saying, Dad? Others may treat this as a silly issue, Dad. This is my life, Dad.
No, I understand what you say. But if you do this, the problem will grow bigger and we...
Dad. I've grown under your guidance, Dad. I should prove that I'm not wrong, Dad. You are the role model for discipline, Dad. Who is he to give the bad conduct certificate for your son, Dad? That too, his son is coming in next 10 days. I have to work with him as a slave. Shall I go and work as a slave to him, Dad?
Oh no, Jiva.
At that time also, he will not allow us to live freely, Dad. If an illiterate has a position, he can decide anything, Dad. Then the literate like us have to show what we can do, right? Literates will only think, but he will not do anything. But I decided.
Nothing should happen to you.
Dad, nothing will happen for me, Dad. He shouldn't commit the same mistake to another guy hereafter, Dad. If I'm going to live, definitely I'll live as per your wish. Else I will die.
Hey, why are you blabbering? Tell me what I should do.
This is enough, Dad.
Finally, nomination has been filed.
Greetings,
You
sir.
tell the persons who
Greetings,
we
sir.
want to meet, so I will prepare a list immediately.
One
Sir,
minute,
we
sir.
just
One
went
last
for an
question,
interview,
please.
sir.
Why did you join the same group again? Is it to hide the mistake you have done? Or else is it to escape from the things you are doing? Why are you coming again in the political issues
That's
like
really
this?
good. The entire media is thinking about me alone. I should thank you all. I myself did not go for this post. In fact, the party had called me to come. Because the party needs a strong, a good minister now.
Just a minute.
So, are you believe you are going to win this
You
election?
have a doubt on that?
In case you win, which minister you would like to be?
Definitely education department.
Educational minister.
Yes. Otherwise, other languages will dominate our state. That's the reason I want education department.
In the High Court, it is proved that his wealth is worth 680 million. But in his state, he has proved that his wealth is only worth 12.6 million. At the Election Commission, this shows us the true face of the politicians.
Coming again in politics.
Increasing day by day.
Swati? Why are you crying?
Nothing.
Hey, don't you get some other place to meeting? Can't speak louder and can't drink here. Why you choose here?
Buddy, at this night time, both of you, what are you doing the terrace?
Hey,
Yeah, thank you.
Hey dude, what is the matter? Why you call all of us?
Bro, how are you, man?
Hey.
Oh, sorry. I think your dad is not in the house. That's why I arranged meeting here.
Not even you came to hospital to see him.
It's a big story, man. Yesterday only I got the mark sheet. Immediately my dad asked me to attend an interview. From the morning to night I was there, but I didn't get the job. See, one day I was away from him. What and all happened to him?
He's lying there.
Okay, what you people are discussing here?
Buddies, I decided to oppose Angana.
Hey, what? You made a decision. Go to hell. I have did make your mom to believe that was an accident. From this you are going to against an Anganan. Find any way to escape from him.
Who wants to escape? You or Jeeva?
Oh, what a brilliant question. I won't answer this.
Don't you know about him? He will let him in peace. Didn't he frame my father and killed him in accident?
See Swati, we are not afraid to tell this. He have an all side of influence. Don't make this issue.
Buddy, anyhow he is going to beat me. Let me try to beat him also.
We have to think before to against him.
If I'm not doing that, will he be allowing me to be free? I'll leave this now, knowing that you are capable to, and if you are doing that, you are the cover. We can do it.
Dude, I'm getting afraid once I think about that.
You guys ran away when they murdered a stranger. But after that, you guys haven't gone to the tea shop. Police, politicians and thugs. They are afraid of only one another. But us, we are afraid all three of them.
Youngsters are important and their future is important. They are getting rejected initially. No one is taking care.
Buddy, we are studying here, doing a job at abroad and sending the money to our country. But these corrupted politicians, they earn money here and they're sending it abroad to deposit.
Correct, dude. From your plan, he can't be escaped.
Talking this much about them, just think, will they be thinking about us now? It's nothing for them, buddy. They might be thinking me as a coward. They might be thinking that I am feared about them. If I leave the chance now, then I will not be getting any chances.
Hey, he has this much confidence. Come on, let's join with us.
From today onwards, his happiness is over.
The moment I gave the application for the election, you have started touching my feet.
After your MP election, I don't know whether you are coming or not.
MP? I am going to become a minister.
Oh, nothing. You won't come here, right?
Even if I don't come here, already a complaint is there on me that I am always enjoying with my girlfriend here. After I become a minister, I can't come here. I will get a black mark. But you don't worry, sweetheart. I will definitely come. I have to do a lot of service to you. Hello, please move. Principal's coming. Please give some way. The car is coming. Please give some way. Please. Move. Thank you. Move. Sir, please move. Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, good morning.
Why is this crowd here? Wait. You just please wait. Wait for me. I'll see.
Hey, please give some way. Hey, please. Hey,
What rubbish is this?
Please.
How did you get this? We have not sent anything like this. We don't take any donations. Students, go back to your classes. College is not related to this letter in any way. Please go back. Don't stay here. Please go back.
Why are you waiting up? Please look after your job and go. Please go. We all received a mail that we'll get the refund today. Now what is
I also
this?
got, sir.
Now he's saying that he
People are
doesn't
playing
know
a game with
anything.
us.
We have the letter sent by them. How come they won't give the money?
Super, bro.
If we live without give.
There is one person is as we expected.
What is this? Such a big crowd. How many people will be there? 2 years parents are. 500 to 600 people are there.
Yes.
But how will I reply him?
He cannot answer him, sir.
What, buddy? How's the party work going
Sir,
on?
it's going very fine, sir.
Prabhu, is the party office ready?
Yeah, all set, bro.
If the ruling party puts at 5 places, they will tell they put at 50 places.
All will take care, bro.
என்ன சொல்ற நீ
ஊர்ல நொண்டி நோசக்கா வெந்தது வேகாது பெட்டி கடையில கடன் சொன்னது பீடியை கிள்ளி குடிச்சது சந்த கடையில கருப்பட்டி திருடிட்டு கொண்டது இந்த மொத்த
Will you please stop this nonsense? Hey, switch off the TV.
The battery is charged out, I think. This is not working properly.
They have promised
I've
to
seen
return
this
the
place
donations.
somewhere. Hey, just move away.
Not only in India, in the world itself, nowhere it has taken place.
Hey,
So
this is
many
our
people
college,
are
buddy.
very happy and some
What
of
is
them
going
are
on? I'm not
shocked
able to
here.
understand
We
anything.
don't know what
And
is
this is
happening
Hindi
inside
channel
here.
too.
Boss, watch clearly. It's
Is
Telugu.
it true or false? All are waiting for your reply.
I also have the same doubt. Where are you from, sir? Why so much of crowd here?
Are you happy? Please tell us, madam.
Can't you keep a local channel? You're good
you
for
have just
nothing
heard
at
what
all.
she said.
Now you are watching is not
Hey,
an
just stop it
exhibition.
immediately.
This is happening for the first time ever in this world.
Now
this
watch
is new
clearly.
beginning to modern education, a small step towards a big revolution. Let's see what the parents have to say. What are your thoughts on the refund of the donation by the college, sir?
We are giving education to the children so that they can grow themselves. But these types of colleges, they are destroying the child's career. This should be a good lesson for the people who collect money for education.
Thank
These
you,
guys
sir.
don't pick up the call at all. Do you at least know that inspector's number?
With
Yeah,
great
I know.
difficulty
Give the
only we have
phone.
put our daughter in this college. Now they say that they will return the donations.
Boss, he's on the
Thank
line.
you.
Hello?
Brother, tell me.
Who told the money will be refunded? Send away the people who are standing there.
Brother, Can't do that. Here are more than 500 people. Everybody has an evidence in their hand. Actually, we are came here to control the crowd. If we against them means they will stand in the road, try to finish in campus itself.
Who's this? Sir, it's me, Anganan, sir. I'll talk to you later. I'm a little busy. I had given a statement yesterday. If somebody collects donation, that man will have a problem. Some stupid fellow today morning has told that he will refund the amount. I don't know who's the chairman of the college. Sir, I need to talk regarding that matter. Tell me what should I do now? Sir, that's my college, sir. What? Baka, you'll be having more wealth than me. Why get into unnecessary problem? Why did you send the mail? Sir, I don't know anything, sir. Will I ever tell that I'll refund the money? I don't know whether it's you or somebody told that the money will be refunded. All the parents are waiting at the college. You have to give the refund immediately. Otherwise, they'll go to the police station. Sir, the news has gone to the media. Now you tell me what should I do, sir? When the people support us, media can't do anything on us. Any government issues, I will take care of that. You just refund the money. Any other problem, I will take care of that, okay? But if you don't give money, then you will seriously get into a problem. You mean to say that I should definitely give the money? Buddy, after refunding the money, you know how to get it back at the earliest, right? Don't get into further problems and try to solve it immediately. He's telling me to give the money. Useless bugger. Guys, give the refund at the college campus. Come on, fast.
13 missed calls. He's online, sir. Hello?
Now we'll pick up my call.
No, sir, I couldn't hear because of crowd.
First, you hand over the refund immediately.
Sir, money.
I will take care of that. You give it immediately.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay, your problem is solved. You can get the refund immediately. You go and give the receipt and then collect the amount.
They have got their money. Let's ask their feedback. So tell me,
We are
sir.
very happy now.
So
I'm
what
so
is your
happy.
plan?
I'm going to do some useful things.
And you? We are very happy.
I'm really happy, madam.
Super, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Everyone seems happy. But why do you look so dull?
This college is getting the donation, and everyone came to know after this issue only. Government will give stipend for the education purposes, but here people are asking for the money to get learned. That's the reason I'm feeling worried.
So he's the man behind this
We will
problem.
be much happy if other college also doing the same thing like our college.
Get lost. What are you watching
Okay,
here?
sir.
There is one new number.
Pick up the call.
Hello?
Give the phone to that education father.
You're speaking very respectively. May I know who is this?
Hey, idiot, give the phone to him, stupid.
Yes.
Hey, give
sir.
it.
Who it may be?
You seen that, right? I was looking so good in the TV.
You have given a good performance.
Now you all aren't worried. But see how many people are happy here. Every parents are praising you without knowing you itself. Do you know that? So you have to thank me for that,
I
okay?
will surely thank you. Should I do something else for you?
Hey, I just done this to show you what will happen if you oppose illiterate. Hey, listen. It's not my duty to correct you or this country, okay? Only two things. First is my certificate. Next thing is, just give the college back to the guy from whom you have got this by cheating him, okay?
You stupid. I'm not ready to give even your certificate. I'm earning so much. Do you think I'll give this college?
If you stop with this alone, no one will come to know whatever I have done till date. If you're not stopping now, I will show who you are to the public immediately.
I thought you're just a kid, but you're talking too much. It'll take only a minute for me. I will finish you now itself.
Sir, how long you are going to say the same dialogue? What you will do, what you are capable do, I know everything. Whatever you can just go ahead and do, I will take care.
Hey, call the stupid fellows.
Okay, boss. I will call them immediately. Hey, rowdies, come here. Boss is calling. Come.
Hey, destroy his house and his family members also. Show him and his family members what is the fear
Okay.
of death. Come on, go fast.
Okay, brother. Hey, what is a crowd in front of his house? Park the vehicle and aside. What is this election booth in front of his house?
Hey, old man, come here. All the job should be done immediately. Hey,
Brother?
take this old man carefully.
Okay, brother.
Hey, we should not miss even one vote, okay?
Hey, it seems like a Pugadendi, right? He is not having a good opinion on us. How did this happen correctly in front of his house?
Bro, maybe he's behind this issue.
If I ask him means what he will reply, I don't know.
What happened?
Brother, I went to close him, but it seems too negative for
What?
us. Front of his house, Tana party make a booth. If we go there means it will be a big issue. What should I do?
You need not do anything. Just come back fast.
Bro, while going back, we'll have biryani, bro.
Hey,
Hey, buddy,
just check the jeep,
relatives
man.
has come so early.
Bro, they are all our guys, bro.
Did you eat something? What, brother? Your leader is still in the old trend itself. He knows what I want. I won't interrupt in this way. Just go and say to him, if he orders you, don't come like this hereafter, okay? Okay?
Hey, leader!
Long live!
Leader!
Long live!
Bro, they are planning something, bro.
Hey, I'll finish you.
Pugalenthi! 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 Pugalenthi!
Hey, just stop it, man. These guys don't know why are they shouting. Why are you supporting them? Get lost. Just look after your job, guys. Breaking news. Strict action will be taken against the college who are collecting donation from the students. Education Minister, Delhi.
Hey, congrats,
thank
yeah.
you.
Hey, congrats.
Thank you so much.
Hey, you made
Thank
it.
you.
Hey, good coverage.
Thank you.
Hey, well done. Congrats.
Hereafter, we will have more work to do.
Sir, very often we are coming to this place. Why don't we change our police station to here, sir?
Hey, shut your mouth and come. Take your belly and come fast. Brother, what should we do now?
You're asking me what to do now?
This was I said before. I'm right in prison for 6 months. You only said he is not up to the mark to leave him.
If you order means you will do anything. You are all good for nothing.
Sir, we'll take this boy to the station and give him nicely.
Why you are biting his ears?
Will you just shut up? What should we do now? Tell me that.
We had a lot of pending case, brother. I'll mark him anyone on that. Tell me one word. I will take him.
Don't you have brains at all? If we file a case now against him, his father will come. Unnecessary problem. Instead, if we kill him now, then the problem is solved. Do you understand my point?
Brother, that girl?
Which girl?
That girl who has got a mic with that guy. That's what the same girl. We threaten a person in advocate office, right? His daughter.
Will you not finish any job completely? You guys left her because she looks beautiful. First try to finish her.
Okay, brother. Confirm I'll finish him. But your son ask him means?
I will take care of my son. First do what I've told you. Complete the job fast. Otherwise, some other inspector will be standing in your place.
Okay, brother. I'll take care.
Mr. Constable, go to gym. You're looking like a pregnant lady.
Prabhu.
Brother?
Whatever you're doing, do it without any evidence. No one should know that we are behind this, okay?
Okay, brother.
If possible, try to finish both of them at the same time.
Okay, brother.
Boss, after coming to this house, not even a single good thing is happening. Just we will leave here and go to our house.
I also feel the same now.
Hey, Jiva. Why you're seeming so dull?
Buddy, it will be perfect. All our wishes happen soon. I'm just thinking about his next step now.
Hey. Definitely he will school by going this time.
I'll handle him. Come.
Whatever.
Hey, wait.
For others, a thing is very struggle, but you got that easily. But a easy thing making you difficulty.
What are you saying?
Talking about your love.
Hey, he will be feared if his girlfriend is not sending SMS for next 2 days. But me and Swati is not like that too. She knows that I am loving her. In fact, I know that she loves me. She wants me to propose first of all. It's entirely a different feeling, buddy.
Swati, brother is in good mood. Actually, he is not able to play a duet, so you play it. I'm going. Bye.
Hello?
Hey, Swati.
Yeah, sir.
An important matter.
Yeah,
Come to
just
the office
15
soon.
minutes.
Don't be late, okay?
Okay, sir. Bye. After a long time, he is having nice time with friends. I'll go alone. Auto?
Where you want to go?
Annanagar.
Get in.
Yes, Swati?
Someone is chasing me, Jiva.
What are you saying? Where are you going now?
My boss called me and he said he had received a news about Angana and asked me to come there.
Hey, are you mad or what? We guys are hiding here. Why the hell you went alone?
Okay, leave it. They are chasing me, Jiva. What do I do?
Okay, don't be panic. Where are you now exactly?
I'm going Kolathur way.
Did you cross Kolathur petrol
I
bunk?
don't know.
What could you see there?
Grace Supermarket.
Just take the first left next to it.
Brother, take left, please.
Madam, that road is dead end.
Hey, that's a dead end, Jiva.
I know that's a dead end. Just ask him to go there now. Move! Go fast!
We are searching him, but he is going in front of us. Hit him!
Hello, Jiva, are you there?
Sir, tell me, sir. I've seen him. I'll finish him. You'll finish her. Sir, I'm behind her. I'll finish her soon.
Hey, they are getting closer.
Hey, don't be panic. Just get down and run from there.
Jiva, they look scary. They will catch me, Jiva.
Those guys are too fat. They can't run for a long time. Don't get tense and run
Hey,
from there.
come on, come soon. Have to catch her. What is this four-way road? You two go here. You two go and see there.
What are you going to do, bro?
If she come here, means I'll catch her.
Bro, I have not catched the girl still now. I'll do it, bro.
My dear, come on. I'll join with you. Come.
Go. Take any lane there.
All the streets are very narrow. Which one do I take?
Hey, drive fast.
Jiva, where are you now?
There will be small lanes only. Nothing is dead end. Just go.
Sir, we are chasing him now, but he is listening to music and riding the bike. We can file a case for this, sir.
Case. We'll file. Hey, I'm telling you to hit him. You're talking about the case. Go and hit him.
Okay.
Don't know where she went. She is killing me. Come.
Are you following my instructions correctly? Where are you now?
I don't know where I am.
Just check and let me know.
There is a temple.
There will be a small lane next to the temple. Just go there now.
Hey, bro, do you have some water to drink?
Hey, you. Have we come for a tour? Come on. She seems like a mouse, but she make her to run.
They went from there, right? If you get tense, you will get caught. Just come to the lane which I said.
You make an indicator for left. He is trying to cheat us. You take a right. What are you looking? Go and catch him. Why are you looking me? Make it fast.
Hey, whoever catches her, we will finish her, okay?
Hey, this duck
Hey,
is
bro,
small
I
pace.
got caught. Please save
Hey,
me, bro.
release him soon.
Miss Swati,
But
come
you
on.
only take your moments,
Is it
right?
important? Just come on.
Hey, okay.
Bro, I think both of them have escaped from here.
Hey, where you went? Just to miss her. We'll get them. Jerry, get her, man. What are you guys doing then? Come here fast. Hey, start the car soon. Fast. If you found him, then smash him immediately. Hey, what is your driving skill? Get up. All my faith. Hey, hit him. Don't leave him. Hold me tightly.
Swati, just be silent.
Okay.
Okay. Hey,
From where you're coming?
so sweet.
I asked you from where you're coming. I must know what is happening here.
Auntie, when I was going in the auto.
Yeah, you just get it. Go.
You be here. First, you answer to my question.
Not like that,
Already
Mom.
your friends are getting scared to come here. Nowadays, you are discussing something on the
Mom,
terrace.
Dad is calling you
Wait,
inside.
you tell me.
Mom, Dad is calling you, right? Just go and ask him what's up.
What happened? You
Dad
tell
is
me.
going to get tense. Just get in, Mom.
Dad is calling you. Come.
You go,
Come,
Mom. We'll talk
Come
later.
inside, Mom. Always scolding in the entrance.
Thank
Come
God.
inside.
Stupid fellows. Instead of hitting them, they've got hit now. Where are those stupid three fellows? They have died or what? You people also should have died now. You guys are not fit to finish even a small person? Haven't I given you everything?
You're right, boss. Doctor sir, please come here. Did they will be cured or not? Again, they will work for us or not?
Injury is very severe.
Are they civil engineers?
Hello. Proper treatment is given. They have to take rest for 3 months.
Doctor,
Okay.
3 months is not required. Give some strong injection and send these guys immediately. This is hospital. I can't do such things. Where is the stupid police?
He's there.
What is this? He's injured himself very badly. He lost only his leg. He's not died. This guy should have been put in the mortuary by now. Don't come to my house next time. Doctor will say you'll be alright soon. But don't believe that. I will finish you. I will not leave you anymore, okay? I just came here to warn you. That's
Sir,
it.
election time. This is a government hospital. Somebody may post it in the internet.
That inspector told so many things with his big mouth. I will deal them later after my boss becoming a minister.
Sir, what are you thinking so seriously, sir? It's a very simple matter. We unwantedly gone there and made him a big man. Election date is nearing us. We are in a party. We have some meetings. We need to make some speeches. Why should we think about him at this time, sir? Let your son come back. He will definitely take care of the guy. Otherwise, let the election get over, sir. I will kill him with my hands only.
All right. Look after everything for the coming elections. Chart the program. I will come there. Buddy, what are you thinking seriously?
You all ask me whether we don't love each other. I took her in my bike the moment when I told you guys. It seems like taking her for the last time, buddy. I wish that education should get caught in the right person's hand. Nothing apart from that. But for that, he's ready to kill me also. He has sent some people to kill Swati also.
Then, he did that much in the media. What should do?
What shall we do now?
Who is that?
What happened? Why all of you are having a death scare on your face?
He already sent lot of rogues and also few cops as well. Now he has sent you also.
He doesn't know that I come here. He's very angry over you. That is why all these police and gundas. Do you know how strong of a politician he is?
Once he had 146 wine shops. When the government undertakes all the wine shops under taskmark, he changed the schools and colleges for his business need. Now he has got 5 colleges and 2 schools. Among that, one is on his son's name and rest of in Binami's name. Out of which one is our college. Leave the income from the college and schools, okay? That everyone knows about it. But there is a matter which no one knows it. They have sold 10,000 forms for a course which is not at all in their colleges till now. You know about our people, right? If they are not placed in that particular course, they will think that someone else has got, instead of researching that whether the course is actually in that college. But actually that form cost 800 rupees. I don't know about these details, boss. But what to do with that information?
He has decided to kill you. I asked him to hold it. Let the elections get over. Take care of this time available, or else he will ruin you and your family. Please listen to me.
What I want to hear. You will say everything whatever happened along with him. What is the surety that you won't reveal the conversation between us? Please get away.
I know till what you are talking. You don't have any plan with you. He came with a plan. Just listen what he is telling.
Planning? Had I known planning, why should I have been a dummy candidate till now?
You also till a dummy candidate, huh?
In such a big political life, I have got a good name for me. If I ask for a seat in the party, they are asking me money. But for people like Anganan, they have got the money, they have got the power also. Don't feel that they just come to help you simply. I have some benefit in it also.
I expect this.
If I leave this election, then I will be a dummy candidate forever. If I want to become a candidate now, only you can help me out.
Buddy, what he's telling is true. That man is from our area.
Is Paranama from your area?
Yes, brother.
Okay, I'll inform you later.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. When did you come? How is your area?
Everything's going on well, sir.
Good.
I've arranged for a free food distribution tomorrow.
Where?
In our constituency.
This is required now and at this time.
Correctly fixed a bill, right?
You don't need to spend even a single rupee.
My goodness.
Is that so?
I'll take care of that.
All right, I'll come. You arrange.
See how relaxedly they are drinking tea?
Hi, buddy. Hey, 2 tea. What, buddy? Having a big beard? Are you going for some temple
Hey.
or what?
Don't talk rubbishly. He is in a very sad mood. If you want, I will remove it tomorrow, okay?
Have it, dude.
So, this is the setup for the trap. But it is too much for that person,
down, sir.
boss.
That will happen tomorrow only. But today is spraying water. If he action it everything directly, then he will
Definitely.
be no more. That's why we have arranged
Hey,
it today.
look at him. His face become very bright. If we keep a crown in his face, he will look like a king only.
Dude, tomorrow we'll have a beautiful fun.
Hey, just leave that, buddy. We'll take care of it with someone else. Brother, we need you guys tomorrow.
What, bro? We are all not there for you?
Hey, I want you people when I'm going to win. I don't want to lose anyone when I'm going to win. We'll take care with this area people itself. KG is there, right?
Hey, he's acting too smart, okay? Good evening, brother. I heard somebody's having a dance program here. Where is that?
That's not here. There you go.
Hey, why are you running like this? They will give food only at 12 o'clock. There is no use of rushing like this way now.
Hey, Drivesh. Open the door.
Hey, who is that?
Dry fish. Don't know where he went in the morning. Hey, look at that. Hey, who taught you to think like this unique way? We are searching for Sandy and you are drinking brandy. Go.
I'm really afraid of this plan, Jiva.
You don't worry about this plan, okay? We have planned it perfectly.
What should I do?
Hey, you just stand and watch the drama alone. Don't show your face, okay?
If I hide, won't they still look for me? No matter what, I'll be by your side.
Won't you understand whatever I say? Hey, hi, brother.
Heard somebody's giving biryani.
Oh, there you
Hey,
go, okay?
Come, buddy. Hey, it's chicken biryani. They are serving there. Come, let's go. Okay, bro. See you later.
You said you don't have anyone to create problems? I think you got your man.
Come.
It's already getting late. Why is he not
I
coming?
don't know, sister.
Sir, crackers,
Hey,
sir.
go that side. Go that side.
Sir,
It's a leader
crackers.
coming time. Go that side.
Leave.
Hey, our guys are standing there. Just see what is the problem
Okay,
there.
boss. Hey, what's your problem?
Bro, we want to see our leader, bro. If he visits our area, then our entire area votes will be for
Listen,
him, bro.
he is
Hey,
going for
why
another
are you
meeting.
wasting time?
He will,
Come
why you are
soon.
disturbing? Sir,
What's your problem?
we have one boss. We have one.
Tell me what's the matter.
Boss, they are all our old party members. When you were out, they also went out. Now you are in.
Okay.
They also want to join. Only one flag hosting. We will get 40,000 votes
Tell me what
confirmed.
should I do
So
now?
you directly go and host the flag without hesitating. So we will get 40,000 members. Thus, so you please host the flag. I will get the press immediately.
Leader Ranganna, long live. Leader Ranganna, long
Why are you
live.
standing here? Spread all over.
Did we are doing a fielding for standing separately? If we are being together, anything means we'll escape easily.
Stop talking like this. Go and serve food.
Hey, what are you doing now? Hey,
Sorry to disturb.
hey, what? Till now
Hey,
we didn't
get
the
up, go
food.
there.
Hey, he is my
Till
husband.
food is not ready. What's an urgent?
Idiot, how he is behaving like this? Stupid he and all on husband for me.
Where is the food?
I have never heard of this like this.
We need food. Madam,
Yes,
ask
we are also
for
waiting for the food only.
Madam, please get up.
Where is the food?
Otherwise, you hear itself. Come on, please, madam, get
Oh,
up.
we
Let's
are
go.
waiting.
Don't waste the time.
Either
Hey,
the
come,
food
buddy.
will come
Leader's
or-
coming. We should solve the problem.
Hey, useless fellow, tell me something and go.
So hungry.
Why are we inviting everybody?
How many hours we are waiting here?
Why don't
You think we are a god? Come here. Come here.
Till
What do you
now
think
we
about
are
us?
waiting for
Come.
the food.
How long I have
come?
to wait? Come on.
Huh?
Give me a food.
Where is the food? Where is
Get
the
the
food? Where is the
food
food?
and come on.
Come here. What do you think of yourself?
Hey, take the food, man. Come soon.
For the past 3-4 hours, we
Hey,
have
where is the
been
biryani?
waiting
Come on, where's the
without
biryani?
food.
Serve it.
If I had
Fast,
known
guys.
this, I
Please
would
calm
eat
down.
it from the
Humble request,
outside.
please. You should cooperate with us. Please,
Hello?
guys.
Yes,
Brother, have leader start?
it's getting late here. The guys are doing the job.
We are waiting for him.
Everything is going as per our plan.
Okay, brother.
What, bro? Has the leader started?
He have started, but personal work he has going out. So he asked not to wait for him.
Has the leader informed that we
Yeah,
can
yeah,
start the
need not to
function?
wait.
Okay, then
We'll
we'll
go
start.
Hello, where are you going? Come here. Go and serve.
Okay, bro.
Go quickly.
Bro, why do you start? The leader has not come.
Hello, leader only said not to wait for him.
Leader's
What you
informed.
need? Go.
Okay, then
What you
it's
need? Go and serve.
Hey, sambar. I had asked for sambar, not rice, okay?
Hey, give him some sambar, otherwise he'll hit you.
He's asking for a gravy. Go.
Buddy, where is the rasam?
Okay, I think you are hesitating. I will feed you. Take this. Very good boy.
Sister, eat happily.
After seeing this,
Go and
the
serve payasam
opposition
there.
party will piss off. See the posters, flexes, flags. Wow. It's like a very big function. Oh, what is this? There is no public, nothing. What is this, boss? You please come down.
Greetings, leader.
Who is this group of beggars who are coming in a car? Hey, watch us. You told me that they will not start the function before I come. Now they have started serving food.
Yes, boss. They are fighting like a stray dogs for food. Do you want to eat with them?
Hey, guys, just stop serving the food and come here quick. Buddy, what happened, buddy? Why are you calling us? Hey, buddy, this man told me that no. He told us that we are stray dogs.
Hey, guys, come here. Come fast, guys.
Hey,
Come soon.
why are you calling the crowd? What happened? What happened?
We're all beggars.
Yeah, you are beggars only, no?
We are not beggars. You are a beggar. If we vote alone, you come to power. You did not put vote for free. You got biryani and liquor.
Last time you received 500 rupees.
It's you had given me that 500
Hey,
rupees.
why you people talking and wasting the time? Hey, you ate fully, no? Go and do something.
You don't know to cast a vote properly. You're asking me questions? Bloody bugger. Hey, give him nicely, man. We will cast his vote. Then why did you come here to see all of us? Don't you know that you're talking to a respectable minister? Very big minister.
Hey, it's working out.
You know to
Hey,
whom are you
what are you
talking?
saying?
Hey,
Don't do any fight,
hey,
okay?
hey, don't create
You know with
unnecessary
whom you're
problem.
talking?
I will not leave you.
If you have real guts, touch him, I say.
I have guts. I'm going to remove his dhoti. Just see that. Hey, bloody shit. You're trying to act smart here. I will not leave you guys. Hey, get lost, man.
Man, only 3 letters. See where it has brought you?
Sir, spine please. Sir, spine please.
Stop the vehicle. Boss, I am here. And don't forget me, or else they will beat me. They are all drunk, I think.
He's behaving because he's having liquor morning itself.
Ready, sir? Give me the mic. Angana arrived for the feast, but he behaved in rude manner with the people and got attacked by them. And it is said that he was drunk. This is a big insult to the party for which he is the candidate and affects their chances.
Boss, please
Swati
have this dhoti,
from
boss.
QTV.
Stupid fellow, don't you have brains? In front of an entire group, one stupid fellow tried to remove my dhoti. You were all just standing and watching there, and now you're coming and giving a dhoti. For what? I should wear this and stay at home or what?
Look at this. As the days go along, I thought the problem will end, but the problem is getting extended. Do you have to do all this?
At this point of moment, whatever we have to do, our enemies are deciding that time.
Good morning, sir. Welcome.
Good morning, lady.
Can't you keep quiet for some days? What did I do, boss? You're asking me what did you do? Did you not see the newspaper and paper today? Your name has been targeted in the entire media itself. Watch it now. Doing nonsense consuming liquor. Sir, I've stopped consuming liquor, sir. Oh, really? Should I explain all these things in the assembly? Or should I prove it by giving a blood test to you? Already big problems are coming here. Even though you're involved, I am trying my level best to save you. Now you're shown your face directly in the television. Live it, boss. It all happens in politics.
If it has happens one time means okay. So many times.
If this happens some other time, it's okay. Now elections are coming. Will they put vote for us? If you're one and all the shit is happening, we can tell that opposition party is trying to target our image. 2 days before, both police and rowdies had a problem because of you. The government and media asking questions to me. You know that? Every day one problem is arising because of you. This should not continue anymore. It's better you can back out. For this small issue, should I back out from the election? Is this a small issue for you? Huh? The people, they will remember only what has happened latest. All this petty government things we are doing only to convince these people. Wherever I've got a black mark, I will remove it soon. Before you do that, I think the elections will be over. It's better you can back out from this. Okay, I'm giving you 1 day's time. The entire media has targeted you today. The same media should write good news about you tomorrow. If you don't do that, I will give a statement about you. Since it is proved that he is involved in illegal activities, he is removed from the post itself. I'm going to give that statement. Tell me what is your problem? Why are you creating unnecessary issues daily? Nothing big, boss. Everything is happening because of a college student. Look, don't you have any stupid reason other than this? Even big politicians are afraid of you, and you're telling that you're afraid of a small college student. By the way, how did the media come there? Whatever has happened, forget it. You have given me 1 day. I will take care of everything, sir. Hey, you attend the call. Alright, solve the problem soon. Thank you, sir. Yeah, take care.
Leader, if you provide Z security and commando force
Hey,
of the boss means it
get
will
lost. That stupid minister is giving time for me. Pour a drink.
Yes, boss.
If I had continued this party, this man would not got a post. Already I am tensed. Why is he coming here now?
Go inside.
Oh my god. It's coming.
Like this, I have to finish him, but you leave. You're a politician. Because of the election, you asked me to be calm. and send me for an honeymoon. Now see.
I thought he's a useless fellow. I didn't know that he's such a strong boy. I think I may have to go to my old life soon.
He's been very clear, but he made what is not with you.
What was that?
Brian.
Oh, is that so?
He did everything cleverly, but he leave a loophole on that itself. I'll take care of that.
Did you call him and tell him to come here?
If I didn't inform him means this slab will be transferred here.
Always playing with mobile.
Mom!
Wait, I'll get you married to the mobile. Where is father?
Have you got the printouts?
Everything's pakka, my dear friend.
They shouldn't take too much of liquor and lie somewhere. Be careful, our plan shouldn't get
Don't
collapsed.
worry, buddy. All are alert. Hey, daddy's watching us.
You just want to see with whom I'm talking now. You just go now.
Okay, buddy, I'm leaving.
Brother, can you please tell me this address?
Buddy, just tell where is the address?
Go straight and take a left.
Hey Jiva, what happened? What happened to
Tell
dad?
me, buddy, what happened? Hey, where is the phone? Attend the call, man.
Hey, come, we'll ask the nurse.
What, dude? Someone has thrown a bomb in your house? Don't think it was my fault. Tamuse party and a Dana party as a clash. Behind the booth was your home was affected. How they all? Hope there is no any problem for life. I've heard.
Hey, do you know what is the meaning of love? Do you know what is the meaning of family?
Hey, what are you blabbering about your family? There is a doctor going inside to your father's room. Hey, why you are running? That's all an old style.
Tell me, where I have to come now?
Where that place you made a blunder mistake. Come there.
Hey, what? What happened?
He wants me to come to the college alone.
To the college?
See,
You know
what
what
he's
will happen
saying.
if you go alone there?
Hey, look at him.
Hey, what is wrong with him?
Just take care of my mom and dad.
Hey, Jiva, stop it.
Jiva,
Stop it.
buddy.
I will live as per your wish. Else I will die here. Hey!
In your life, I will only be a strength, never a weakness, Jiva.
Our victory is really important, but it's more important to achieve it in front of our parents. If my victory comes with a loss to them, let the loss come to me.
What, bro? Whom you searching for?
Where is Kishore?
Tell me your name.
My father always had a thought he's big. He said I'm behind him. Today he is behind me. I wanna separate you part by part to till you death.
I've asked you sorry on that day itself, right?
You slap me in front of my wife. In a crowd you ashamed my father. I have to forget everything, right? I thought to finish your whole family, but they escaped. Next is your father. Yes, you got a girlfriend, right?
He's got a sister also, boss.
What you looking, buddy? Yeah, I got him. Someone finish him and go.
Before I reach there, don't finish him. I have to kill him myself.
See how he is dying. Go!
can escape from our small boss. He's such a giant.
Better than my son. Come on, finish him. Hey, hit him, man. Come on.
Okay, boss.
Hey.
Hey, how dare you to touch our small boss? You, boss. Come down.
My family is important for me. He's saying that he will kill my family. What the hell you know about education? Everyone is really working hard to pay the fees, you know? What do you know? You know, to get the fees alone, anyone can do any job. But the education should be in the hands of government only. If it is in your hands, that won't be a respect to the people like me and also to the education as well. Once if the education goes to the hands of government, then only this country will be correct. Until that day, I collected all the details about you. I will take care of you.
Go, go. Let me see how are you crossing this compound.
You will not correct yourself.
Shiva! What are you doing? What is this? Huh? What is happening?
Nothing happened here, Dad.
Hello, mister. You have only one son, you have raised him in most indisciplined way. A father should not just remain as an initial, there is no use of it. Everything is called mother country, mother tongue. But still a man only gives initial to his child because a child's fate is his father and you are a useless guy. And that is why your son is like this. If you change, he will automatically change. Come, let's go.
Oh my God! Sir, don't shoot me, sir. Don't shoot me, sir. Sir, I know very well, sir. If somebody says I am the God, it will be the result. Thank you, sir. Sir, don't. Thank you, sir. This is the only thing I am getting after all working so many years. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir. Bye, sir.
What are you looking for? For this kind of people death, not from outside. In our hand, being with them. If they listen your words and have to realize means, they will feel sorrow on their childhood itself. This kind of people won't be realize anything. After you went, they will struggle and get up. Send some people to kill you. That's what I shoot them both. Do you know where we are losing? Till we are waiting to get a problem for us. That's what the thing. You got an angry once you got a bad certificate. If these people are having the education institutes and till we don't have a look for that means, we all are bad.